Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps to install iOS 18 Beta 1 on your phone. If you're eager to try out the latest features, you're in the right place, so let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your device is compatible with iOS 18. Generally, if you have an iPhone 8 or later, you should be good to go. Check Apple's website for the complete list of compatible devices. Before you proceed with the beta installation, it's crucial to back up your device. Go to Settings, tap on your name, go to iCloud and select iCloud Backup and click on Backup Now to ensure all your data is safe. Next, you'll need to enroll in the Apple Developer Program to access the beta. Open Safari and go to the Apple Developer website. Here you need to sign in with your Apple ID or create one if you don't have it yet. Now, here you can find all the features that iOS 18 offers. You can learn about it all. Now, if you want to download it, scroll down and click on Download. Now head back to the settings. You'll see a notification about a downloaded profile at the top, generally called beta updates. Make sure to turn it on, and after doing so, you can simply install the profile and your iPhone will be start to download and install iOS 18 Beta 1. This process may take some time, so be patient. Your device will restart once the installation is complete. And that's it. You've successfully updated to iOS 18 Beta 1 on your phone.